Okay, hello everyone. My name is Devin Hoyt, and this is my module 5 on networking. I use Socket with Python to make a server client chat room. So we'll just run that real quick. So first we're going to run the server file. Then in separate command prompt, we're going to run the client file. We'll choose our nickname, just put my name in. And then we'll run it again in another. Choose another nickname. Put these side by side. And now we can send messages between each. So, hello. See, it pops up on both. Okay. Oops. All right. And then we'll just stop the server there. Okay, so there's two main files for this. We have the server file, which just really has three main functions to it. It's got a broadcast to send out each message that comes in through it to each client that's open. A handle, which handles the messages received and removes clients if they exit out of it. And then the receive function is the main function. It accepts new clients. It sets the username that's typed in and it gets from the client. And just kind of keeps it going. And then in the client side of the file, we're using tkinter for the GUI. But to do that, I had to put in a class. So we made a client class, initialized it, and set up all the variables here. And then we have this loop here that runs through and creates the actual GUI. And it just constantly is looping through this. Then there's a write function, which is the functionality of the send button. A stop, which is the ending command if there's an error, if it just needs to close out. And then another receiving function. Okay. And that is my project. Thank you.